Everflow Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Everflow and recommended affiliate programs are in the description. Now let's get straight to the review. Everflow is not a traditional affiliate network, but rather a top-tier performance marketing platform designed for businesses to manage their affiliate, influencer, and partner programs. It provides advanced tracking, automation, and analytics tools, making it ideal for brands looking to scale their partnerships and for experienced affiliates working with private offers. Unlike public networks like ClickBank or CJ Affiliate, Everflow is built for advertisers and agencies that want full control over their partnerships while giving affiliates a transparent and data-driven experience. Features. Everflow offers a highly advanced tracking system that goes beyond standard affiliate platforms. It supports multi-channel tracking, allowing businesses to monitor conversions from paid ads, influencers, direct partnerships, and even offline campaigns. The platform features AI-powered fraud detection, customizable commission structures, and deep analytics to optimize performance. Affiliates benefit from real-time reporting, post-back integrations, and access to high-quality exclusive offers. Another key feature is Everflow's mobile-friendly dashboard, which allows both advertisers and affiliates to track their campaigns from anywhere. Strengths. The biggest strength of Everflow is its precision tracking and data-driven approach. The platform ensures that every click, lead, and sale is accurately tracked, giving affiliates full transparency into their earnings. It also supports multiple commission models, including CPA, CPC, CPL, and revenue sharing, making it flexible for different types of marketers. Another major advantage is the automation features, such as smart routing for traffic optimization and AI-powered fraud protection, which help maximize profits and minimize risks. Additionally, Everflow allows businesses to create private affiliate programs, meaning affiliates working with these brands get access to exclusive high-paying offers that aren't available on public networks. Weaknesses. While Everflow is a powerful platform, it's not for beginners. Unlike traditional affiliate networks, you can't just sign up and start promoting products. Brands using Everflow typically work with private or invite-only affiliate programs, making it harder for new affiliates to get started. Additionally, because Everflow is built for businesses managing their own programs, affiliates don't get a built-in marketplace of offers like on ShareASale or Warrior Plus. Instead, you'll need to connect with brands individually to gain access to their programs. Final verdict. Everflow is an elite performance marketing platform designed for brands and experienced affiliates who need advanced tracking, automation, and fraud protection. It offers powerful analytics, exclusive offers, and flexible commission structures, but it's not ideal for beginners due to its invite-only nature and lack of a public marketplace. If you're an experienced affiliate or business looking to scale, Everflow is a top choice. Check the links in the description to learn more. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more affiliate marketing insights.